If you are a freelancer or agency owner, you know that staring at a blank PowerPoint slide trying to build a pitch deck is a massive waste of time. Today, I am going to show you a free AI tool that builds fully designed, professional client presentations in exactly 60 seconds. We are going to use a free tool called Gamma. Once you are in the dashboard, simply click Generate and choose Presentation. Now, we just tell the AI exactly what we want. I am going to type a professional pitch deck for a digital marketing agency, including our services, pricing structure, and contact details. When we hit Generate, the AI takes over. It doesn't just write the text, it acts as a professional graphic designer. It structures the narrative, formats the slides, and pulls in high-quality imagery that matches the brand identity, all in real time. What used to take 3 hours is now done before you even finish your coffee. Once it's done, you can edit any text directly on the screen or hit export to download it instantly as a PDF or PowerPoint file to send to your clients. The link to try this tool for free is in the description below. Hit subscribe to lock in your daily business workflows, and I'll see you tomorrow.